This is the walkthrough video for PCTC 24-25, round 1, Pathfinder, question 7, liking it. So here we're simulating a like button, following these, once again, complicated rules, and so we're given a string of inputs, we need to figure out what the final state is. Now you can try and do this in the efficient way, which is you kind of go through the string backwards, and as soon as you hit an R, you stop, right? Because anything before an R is useless, all of that's useless, and the R itself is also useless. We're not going to bother with that, because whilst it is the efficient way, this is only round 1, and we don't have to care about the efficient way. We care about the fastest way to code up. So let's take in our input, which is going to be a string. So let's take in our string as an input. And now we want to go through everything in the string. So for I in string, and we probably also want to keep track of the current state. So let's call it state equals 0. So if I, the easy one, so if I equals R, then state just goes back to 0. Now, if I is equal to L, which I believe is like, yes, then state should increase by 1, but state should never exceed 2. So state should actually be state is equal to itself, the maximum of maximum of itself and 2. No, not maximum, it should be the minimum of itself plus 1 and 2. Right, so that's what we want to do. So we can either add 1 to it. However, if it exceeds 2, then we want to keep it at 2. And then finally, we just want to print off the state at the end of the program,